Today we're going to do trigonometric functions, a few problems, and we'll be over with. Before we continue with this video, please subscribe, share, like and comment. So our first question here is simplify sine 2 pi by 3 plus cos pi by 6. So here you have to simplify. So how do you simplify such a question? Pause the video and try to solve it on your own. You see here sine 2 pi by 3. If we solve 2 pi by 3, what you will get? 2 into, we know pi is equal to 180, right? So 2 into 180 by 3. So this 180 by 3 is 60, right? 60 into 2, 120. And sine 120 is root 3 by 2. For the other one, cos pi by 6. Pi by 6 meaning 180 by 6, which is 30. So cos 30. And cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this cos 120 also cos 60 plus cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2, which will be 2 root 3 by 2, which is 2 and 2 is common, and that will be cut, which will be equal to root 3. Now our second question, find the value of cos 2 pi by 3 plus sine pi by 4. So here it's the reverse. So but there's a change. The sine is pi by 4 and here cos 2 pi by 3. We know 2 pi by 3 is equal to 120. So cos 120 plus sine pi by 4. Pi by 4 meaning 180 by 4. If we divide it, it is 45. So hence cos 120 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here cos 120 meaning 180 minus 60, right? Here the 180 is even, so it will be remain cos. But that 180 where it is in the this cos will be minus, right? It will be negative. So it will be minus 1 by 2 plus sine 45. We know sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus root 2 by 2, which root 2 by 2 meaning 1 by root 2 only. But if we are making the denominator this denominator same, we have to multiply into root 2 for it to be 2. So it will be minus 1 plus root 2 by 2, which is root 2 minus 1 by 2. Or simply we can put it in their own places, that is minus 1 by 2 plus root 2 by 2. Next question, if cot A is equal to 3 by 4, find cosec A. So they given what is cot A, but we have to find what is cosec A. So cot A is equal to 3 by 4, which means sin A, this sin A by cos A by sin A is equal to 3 by 4, right? Cos A by sin A is equal to 3 by 4. But here it is cosec A, which is 1 by sin A. So how do we find 1 by sin A? This 1 by sin A is equal to root of 1 plus cot square A. And this cot square A, we know it is 3 by 4 whole square. So this 3 by 4 whole square means 9 by 16. So 1 plus 9 by 16 and the root. So root of 1 plus 9 by 16, which is 16 plus 9 by 16, which will be 25 by 16, which will be 5 by 4. If we remove the root, 5 by 4 is the answer. Or simply this cot A 3 by 4, right? We know sine is opposite by hypotenuse and cos adjacent by hypotenuse. So if we substitute both of these in the cot A, which will be have cot A is equal to 3 by x by 4 by x. Let x be the hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras' theorem, that opposite square plus the hypotenuse square, the plus the adjacent square is equal to the hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse square is known as the x square. X square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square, which 3 square plus 4 square is 16 plus 20, this 9, right? So 16 plus 9, 25. So 25 root 5, right? So x is equal to 5. So we know the hypotenuse is 5. So here it is cosec A, and here we know sine is 4 by x. So 4 by 5, right? If we reverse it, because cosec is 1 by sin, right? So 5 by 4. These are the two methods we can use it. Which method do you find comfortable? Your decision.